This week, gold has risen in value. The week has started with this candle, indecision candle, where the prices reached the first resistance level, a supply zone at 2736.97. The price has closed the week before with this bullish candle, almost reaching the supply zone. I was mentioning in the previous week analysis, I am expecting that the price will try to reach this resistance level, supply zone. This has happened on a Monday. Then we can see the price try to form a bullish breakout, making it possible, and then on the next day, on Wednesday, the price formed this bearish engulfing candle. This was a signal for the price that it will try to move further down. It is a bearish signal after this bullish breakout has been formed. This bullish breakout has been invalidated with this bearish candle, and I was expecting that the price will drop down in value at least to 692.77. But the price after the price formed this bearish breakout, the price returned testing the previous support, the previous support acting now as a resistance. But the price did not go down. The price on a Friday has formed a bullish breakout. So this is currently a bullish breakout above this resistance level. Weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle. Nothing too much to say here, and the monthly time frame, it says also the same, where we can see the next level will be 2817.77. Just to make this one a stronger one, which will be a monthly. This is the next target. So what we can say, it's very important to see the daily time frame, which is a very important resistance level, and we can see how this looks. After the price formed, this bullish breakout needs to be validated with the next candle not going below. So will the Monday form this bullish breakout above this currently acting as support, 2736.97, or it will return back down, invalidating this bullish breakout? So this is something that we'll need to see and wait outside of the market. Currently the price is moving sideways for the 4 days, so I need to see will the price manage to get outside of this area and forms any of breakouts, bullish breakout or bearish breakout below. Now we can see very important resistance level will be 2748.27. If the price makes a bullish breakout, even on a 4-hour time frame, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. This will trigger further a rise in value, but if the price returns back down, the first support level that needs to be broken is 2715. We can see that here. That will allow the price to return back down, reaching the next support level, which will be around 2693. So for now, I'm waiting on a Monday to see how the price will behave, will form a bullish or bearish breakout, and I will share this inside the trading community, inside the Telegram group with the traders, where the price is heading. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.